Hi everyone, it's Cindy Squirrel here from Squirrell Mills Farms and Squirrell Mills Farm Guest Cabins. Today is January 7th, 2021. Our guest cabins have been shut down since before Christmas, and we're expecting our first guest since tomorrow. 6 people, 3 cabins, and I think they're coming 562 kilometers to get here. We have the best trails in all of Ontario. They open first, just excellent trails. These guys are from Northern Ontario, but their trails aren't open yet. So I'm going to give you a walk around of what I do to get the cabins ready, make sure that everything is just perfect for when my guests arrive. We're located at 897 and 899, Concession 10 and 11, Glackmeyer Township, in the town of Cochrane. We're situated in a small village of Genier, and we are on the Loop 101 in Cochrane. At the end of the driveway, you'll see this sign that Bobby made of a snowmobile, welcoming people to Squirrell Mills Farms cabins. Once you drive in the laneway, you'll see that, yes, you're at the right place. There's the cabins. Welcome to our little village called Squirrell Mills. There are 5 structures in the little village. The livery cabin, the livestock shelter, the outfitter's cabin, the shoe repair cabin, and the bathhouse. The bathhouse is the only one with running water. It is a communal area that you come and wash your dishes, grab your water for your coffee, have a shower. There's a little fridge there, there's a microwave in this one, and a table where you can all sit around and enjoy a game of cards. Now, the day before guests arrive, this is what I do. I'm going to start off at the farthest one from the bathhouse. It is called the outfitter's cabin. The barbecue here has a new tank. Nothing in here. There's a shelf there to put your helmets on. That was an idea that one of our guests requested, and we did it for the next week. There are 2 single beds in here. The laundry's been done. The beds have been made. The welcome package is there, and a nice jar of jam from our store that I've made for them. I make sure that there's paper towel, sugar, salt and pepper, coffee. All the dishes have been cleaned. There's a jug of water there waiting for you. Our water has been tested yearly. Really good well water. And I plugged in the fridge. And in the fridge is a dozen farm fresh eggs from a local farmer. I make sure that the garbage has been changed, the recycle bin's clean, all the surfaces have been washed, and the last thing I'll do once I make sure the cabins are absolutely perfect is I will vacuum. This is the shoe repair, which is the one that we rent out the most. I think it's because it's in close proximity to the bathhouse that people enjoy it best. Just like the outfitter's cabin, a little bit different walls and decor. 2 single beds. The jam is ready for them. Water's ready. Paper towel, sugar, coffee, salt and pepper, and again, a dozen eggs in the fridge. And like I said, the last thing I'm going to do once I make sure everything is perfect is I will vacuum, and then I never come back into a cabin until the guests leave. Well, here I am at the livery cabin, ready to inspect it. This cabin is the only one with a double bed. It's the same size as the others, but just with not having the two beds, it just seems a lot larger than the others. And again, I've got the water there, there's eggs in the fridge, a jar of jam, and there's everything here. There's a crock pot in one of the drawers, pot, frying pan, you have your coffee maker, you have your tea kettle, you have a hot plate, toaster, and all your dishes. Now let's check out the bathhouse. Welcome to the bathhouse. I see that I'll have to bring over another chair as there's 6 guests coming tomorrow. And I only have a place to sit for 5. Every cabin has a TV, satellite. There's a map. And where are we on the Genier loop? There we are. Right at that number 24. That's us. Like I said, this is the only cabin with running water. So you come here, you bring your dishes in here, you wash them. I put different things in the fridge. Sometimes there's juice or pop. See, I don't have any of that, but I have mustard, relish, or ketchup if you forgot to bring yours. Coffee mate in case you forgot to bring milk. Now up into the bathroom. We have a nice big shower, and we have shampoo, conditioner, body wash, everything you need. And every morning after I hear that you leave on your sleds, I come out here and I pick up any of your used towels that you might hang on the back of the door or on the hook, and they'll all be replaced when you get back. You have bath towels, face cloths, hand towels. Now here we are at the Livestock Shelter. Now about 2 o'clock, when you're out on your sleds, I come out here and I start your fire for you so that when you get here, it'll be nice and warm. And there's usually a good pile of wood there. And there's a barbecue here, in here, so when it's minus 40, you're not cooking outside in the cold. And you can come in here. Now, the eaves here are open. This is not an enclosed building. So if you, as guests, smoke, you can come out here and smoke if the rest of your group allows you to. And you can just come out here, and I've had guests come out here and spend quite a few hours just out here smoking, drinking, enjoying the fire, and having a good old time.